Hello, my name is Christopher Underwood. I teach the refinishing and collision repair here at Pickens Technical College. This is the Refinishing Technician program. It is a one-year program that technicians start in August. Technicians learn all of the components of the refinishing process. Classes run Monday through Friday, where a majority of our time is spent in the shop, allowing students to get hands-on training for this in-demand career path. Our technicians in training learn the skills needed in the industry through hands-on work. Our refinishing technicians train to understand and perform professional grade painting on three-dimensional objects. As refinishing technicians, our technicians learn to restore and enhance the appearance of the mediums they work on. This in-demand career field offers a range of potential jobs. The technician can work in a collision repair shop or an automotive dealership for a successful career in automotive refinishing. Technicians can also pursue a non-traditional route and build their own refinishing business or become a freelancer with their custom refinishing services. If you are interested in a career that combines technical skills with artistic creativity, become a refinishing technician at Pickens and start your future career. Can't wait to have you guys come work in the shop and get your hands dirty.